So this is a recap of that trade. So you can see this is Sunday the 19th, and that's the weekend high, Saturday lows, aka weekend lows, doesn't really matter. Yes, I'm using the replay trading, but just watch. So basically, you wait until one of the highs or lows is claimed. So we're waiting for this, or we're waiting for that. In this case, we're going to wait for that because we're close to it. If we're close to it, then we're just going to hit it. Okay. See what happens. Okay. Claimed. Whoa. So you can already see we got above it and now we're back below it. So you would sell. Let's just sell one Bitcoin. Stop loss at the high. Let's see if I get stopped out. No, let's be more conservative. Stop loss above the high. A good amount, a good distance. Okay. Now end the trade. Cool. See what happens. Ooh, see? If my stop loss was at the high, then I would have got stopped out. And you see that big move? I would have. That's basically what happened to me. My stop loss was at the high, and yeah, I just didn't like it. So I got scared. At $300, I got out. So yeah. So my TP is actually Saturday lows, but for some odd reason, we did come lower. So let me just try something. If we get a fib, so my analysis showed that this was a 5 wave and that was the ABC, meaning that this was another 5 wave, meaning you have to take it from here to the high. Look at that golden pocket. Golden pocket with previous highs. Now, I know the price goes lower than the weekend lows, but I don't know exactly where. So let me just put a box at the highs, previous highs, and the golden zone. And let me just put my TP there to see if it gets hit. But yeah, initial TP and a more conservative TP is Saturday's lows because you just know they're going to get claimed. So let's play what happens. Look at that, straight to the golden pocket. Look at that dump. Look at that. How much did that bag us? From risking 600, say 700. Siri, what is 5,200 divided by 600?
5,200 divided by 600 is approximately 8.6666.
That's about an 8 to 9 RR trade right there. Risking $1,000. That's 9 racks, 8 racks. And how long did that take? Sorry if I'm getting a bit excited, but I could have caught this. Okay, say from the SFP to the full TP, 3 hours, 45 minutes. Name a job that can make you 8 to 9 racks in 3 to 4 hours. Trading. Anyway, that's the recap, guys. Simple weekend SFP strategy. Basically, you wait for the weekend high to get claimed or the low. And in this case, it's the high. What you do is you wait for it to get claimed, dance around, stop the early short it out, stop loss back above. You need to wait at least. How long did that take to drop? It took like an hour of just confusion. If you're impatient, you could be short and stop loss tight, you're gonna get stopped out, you know what I'm saying? So be patient and you will be rewarded. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you watch it till the end. If not, suck your mum. I'm joking. I understand these videos aren't the best, but I'm doing my best to inform you guys what I'm doing and how the strategies work and that. But yeah, hopefully you can implement it into your own trading and give me credit. Save. Alright guys, so that's the end of the summary. Now on to the live trading of the same setup, same trade. This is going to be me basically trading or trying to trade that setup, trying to catch that setup that I explained just then. So yeah, hopefully you can learn something as I have. Yo guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. In this video you can see that I am pretty much eyeing up a setup. It's currently Sunday the 19th of Jan and it's 1 p.m. So just a bit of context you can see here. From this low we got 1, 2, 3, hitting the 786, not the 88. I'll show you in a sec. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 3. So there's obviously 5 waves and a 3 wave. And then we got the fourth wave hitting that 382 fourth wave target from the wave 2 to the wave 3. And now we're looking to come and claim that high to create that fifth wave target. And not only that, claim the weekend highs. So we could go as high as 1.382, but all in all, I'm looking for that high to get claimed, and we just have to be patient and see how price reacts. So the reason why I see this as an impulse is because if we get the Fibonacci tool from that low to the high, you can see if I drag it across, oh, that 786 is a beauty. Look at that. Barely touched it. I mean, we didn't touch the 0.88, which would be a bad sign. 786 held, which is a nice second wave target, and getting the fib extension from that move from bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3, you get third wave targets. Third wave target is 1.618 pretty much. And you can see how here price kind of held here. It doesn't have to be the 1.618, it could be the 1 to 2. Yeah, so just in that range is what I'm saying. 1.786. Yeah, anyway, that's the third wave target. So obviously a further confirmation of that is the fact that from the third wave, from the bottom to the top, we get common fourth wave targets of the the 0.382 and the, I'll just show you if I get my fourth wave targets. So we get the 0.5, 382 and 236. As you can see, price held the 382 and we started going up, which means it's a 99% chance that we are going to go claim the high to create that fifth wave, as I mentioned before. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that and let's see what happens soon. I've got alerts set. Alright guys, I fumbled this trade. Fumbled it. You can see here I only lost $385, which is alright. I could have made, well, I could be up. I could be up 5 grand right now. That's alright, it's fine. But let me zoom in, you can see I got that. I was shorting, what was I shorting? I shorted on a rejection here, right there. Stop loss was above the highs. And I was shorting right there because we were running into the Saturday highs, as well as a larger 0.88 level. See from here, from the whole move from the top to the bottom, we've got the 0.88, which we were at, which we are actually getting rejected off right now. That was the whole plan, was to wait for the highs to get claimed. They got claimed, and you can see that's what I wanted to be a part of. And this could go and claim the weekend lows, which is there, Saturday lows. We are 9 times out of 10 going to go claim that now. And now we've claimed the Saturday high or the weekend high. That was the trade I wanted to be a part of. But three things. I risked too much, stop loss was too tight, and I was impatient because I shorted, like I shorted here, my stop loss was too tight. I didn't even like wait for confirmed 5 minute, 15-minute candle close. 15-minute candle closes are really important. If I wait for a 15-minute candle close, then you can, yeah, I mean, I was just too impatient, well, as soon as I got rejection, I was in, stop loss was too tight. I mean, I nearly got stopped out the first time, nearly. Yeah, when we were bouncing around in this area, I was like, fuck this, I'm gonna get out a small loss. It didn't look too convincing that we could break down and go lower, which we're doing now. But yeah, got out a small loss, but if I caught this, it would have been too easy. If I didn't get out at that small loss, then I would have got stopped out at that level. All in all, what I'm saying is, like, look at that. I could have been a part of that. I waited all weekend for this, just to miss out on it. And at least I preserved my capital and got out a small loss. it could have been a grand loss. But got to think of the positives. I basically, I don't want to say I knew this was going to happen because no one knows anything, but I did pretty much predict this or want this to happen. This is exactly what I was speculating on, and it's happening. First TP was at that low. It was going to be at that low. I remember it would have been 4K, something like that, 6K. So yeah, but that's what I got to say for tonight. Nothing else more to say. Good one. Have a good one, guys, and goodbye.